Internet, YouTube, Instagram, Tumblr, wherever you might be watching this. It's Supernova Design Company Startup Vlog, July 29. Let's get going. Today's focus, our wall-mounted rack, the Wally rack, our tasks, work on the Wally rack, our challenges, staying focused, working on the Wally rack. Pretty exciting. Let's check this out. We updated made it real simple and clean. I kind of maybe should have shown you a before picture, but this is the after picture of our task for this. There was such a mess and so much clutter and so many things that belong to other places. Just really learning how inefficient that I've been. So that's it. That's today. Let's go. All right. Hello. Evening check-in. What did we do today? We got the holes drilled for the pins. We got all the recesses made. What did I learn? I learned I need to add a dry, when I learned and I know to do fit-ups, but especially on these ones, I didn't add in my little list. I've spent most of the time today doing that. I learned getting the pins, brackets, and beams aligned is harder and requiring more manual massaging and filing and yeah, more than I expected. I learned that making these at scale will be a wonderful challenge, and they will certainly be earning the title of handmade. There's a lot of work, I think, as I progress. Maybe we'll get all the holes and drills. I think as I progress, as we progress on these, I imagine the techniques to get everything right the first time will improve. Jigging will probably help a lot of that, getting jiggy with it. But for now, it's pretty manual. We're definitely learning, but it is coming together. Also found a little design problem where bending the corner brackets, and whereas having the holes placed, the length of metal I'm using to bend doesn't create as long of a flat spot where the boards will sandwich. So we got to make some adjustments there. Good learning, busy day. 8:09 p.m. Just had dinner. Signing off. Until tomorrow.